Welcome to Shady RV Sales, where the deals are sweeter than Southern tea. Bless your hearts for doing business with us. So first, we've got this little travel trailer right here for you. As you can see, the price is right on this thing. It comes in at free. As everything I'm going to show you here today is free. And don't worry about this busted window. You can replace that for a little bit of nothing. All this thing needs is a little bit of TLC, and this lovely beauty could be right back on the road and ready to do it. This thing is sexier than socks on a rooster, I'm telling you right now. We'll move around to the back side here. So you can see it does need a little bit of vinyl work here. You throw a little bit of NASCAR duct tape on this back here, good to go. This thing can do 200 mile an hour down the road, not a problem to be had. You will have to replace a little bit of insulation back here, I will say that. So before you tape it up, throw the insulation into it. So this is the first model, a beautiful looking travel trailer here, totally free to you. Okay, so now the next one we're going to show you is this travel trailer right here. Look at this propane tank right here, people. This thing is ready to be filled with propane and ready for your enjoyment. So now we'll walk around to the back side here. I want to show you the fine, outstanding wheels that are on this thing right here. These things are ready to roll. Look at those things. I know they're a little bit flat. Take you a tire pressure monitor, you pump them boys right up and you are ready to ride. Let's take it back around to the front here. All right, folks, so we're going to show you the inside of this beauty. It does have a little bit of water damage in it. Nothing that can't be fixed for a little bit of money. Come on now, you're getting this thing for free, so you can throw a little bit into it. But I think just a little bit of fixing up and this baby could be ready for the next camping event that you're going to have. All right, now we're going to bring you something a little bit different. We got the first free truck camper. Look at this Coachman truck camper here. This thing is a beauty. I tell you what, I've not seen nothing like it. This thing is a steal like a politician in your pocket. So let's walk around here. So the only thing I see on this that you're going to have to fix right off is the legs are broke off on it. So you are going to have to get some new legs for this truck camper to set it on the ground. Looks like it might need a little water heater work. But other than that, I think you are ready to go with this beauty. I know the underpinning's coming off a little bit. It's a little dinged and dented, but it's still going to do you right. People, come down here, check this out. Free to a good home. This is an awesome truck camper for you. Okay, so as you can see, we just got this one in, folks. We just got this one in. Here at Shady's RV, we're going to give you a free boat. Now, I don't know if y'all have ever seen the movie Step Brothers, but you talk about boats and hoes, this right here is what's going to get it for you, folks. Check this beauty out. Yeah, it has a little bit of nature growth on it, but that's just an added feature to this thing. This thing is a beauty. It's seaworthy and water ready. You want to get on this thing. Look at the wheels on this thing, almost brand new. Look at the back here. The mast pole is ready to go up. You do need to clean out a few pine needles here, but nothing too bad there. They've got a lock up there, but it's unlocked, so you can climb right on in. There's no question of getting in there. Get on this thing, take it out on the water, and see what it has to offer, folks. And so here's you another one. This is for my fifth wheel people. We've had a travel trailer, we've had a truck camper, and now we've got a fifth wheel here. This thing is completely free to the next good owner. You can see down the side here, this thing's ready to go. The levelers are probably stuck. It probably needs a whole new inside, outside, and roof, but hey, it's free to you, so what does that matter? Look down that side, you can see it. Plenty of storage right here in the front. The hitch looks okay. You can hook this bad boy up and take it right to your house right now. And a bonus is there's an extra tire on the ground here, so if one of the tires are flat, which I'm sure they are here at Shady RV, you'll have a replacement. Here's down the driver's side. This thing's a beaut. It'll look good in your driveway and out of mine. Now we'll take you in and show you the inside of this beauty that you can take home with you today for free. Now here's the inside of this fifth wheel. This thing here is a taker. I can't get too far in it. I'm afraid the floor might give on me. But you can take this thing, fix it up, make it your own, and have it in your driveway right now. This thing is a beauty, I tell you what. I'll show you back here. Look at all this room you got in this thing. All it needs is a new floor, new frame, new body, new outside, and this thing is good to go. So all jokes aside, people, all these RVs I've shown you today are really completely free. They're open to anybody to come and get. If you are interested, leave a comment down below. Let me know, and I'll get you the information to where you need to come and pick up your next RV. All right, thanks y'all for watching Shady RVs today.